Hi, I'm Jules from Fast Car, and today we're going to show you how to fit a carbon bonnet. It's a two-man job because you don't want to drop your brand new bonnet, so I'm going to need a glamorous assistant. So step number one is the easiest step. It's literally to remove the old bonnet. So up it goes, and then you normally got your bonnet bolts up there. Normally got 4 bolts, and you really want to remove one each side before you tackle the bottom bolt, because that'll come loose and then you could damage your paint. So that's why it's a two-man job. And one thing you could always do, that we do, is just stick a bit of microfiber cloth in there just to help eliminate any slips. To me, to you, to me, to you, to me.
Right, now the reason we fit carbon bonnets is because they're lighter than the standard parts. Now it's not always the case, but let's be honest, they look a lot better, so that's mostly why we fit them. Do yours first?
Yeah. Right. Similar to taking it off, you want to get one bolt in each side first, and again try and protect your paintwork.
The best way I normally find to adjust it all is get these done up sort of finger tight, but so you can still move it, and then close down the bonnet carefully, and then check all the gaps, so you can just shim it over a little bit, and then when it fits right, lift it back up, tighten it all back up again.
So that was first attempt, and it's pretty much spot on, probably a tiny bit out, so adjust that slightly, but really chuffed with that. The gaps are pretty much the same either side, so should we lift the bonnet up and just tighten it all off?
So when you're putting it back on, always do it by hand, and you don't have to hang on it, just nip it up tight-ish, so it's not going to move around. You don't want to break anything. Right, that's me done. I'll see you later.
Thank you. So there you go, that's how to fit a carbon bonnet. The next step is really just to step back and admire your work. One little top tip though, if you bought one of these, maybe give it a nice bit of wax just to give it a bit of UV protection from the old sunlight.